Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to give you a very easy burrito recipe. First, separate 2 eggs into the bowl to brush on the yolk of 1. Warm milk with 200 milliliters cup size. A pack of instant yeast. 15 grams sugar. Room temperature butter. Where are you watching me from? Please write in the comment section. White fat cheese with 200 milliliters glass size. A pinch of finely chopped parsley. Mix it well. Add some flour. Add 8 grams of salt. Add some more flour and knead by hand. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The dough came together nicely. Grease the pan with oil. Place the dough on the tray. Let's spread it with our hands. Please share the video and don't forget to like. Set all sides equally and cover with cling film for fermentation. Leave for 1 hour to ferment. Nice fermentation after 1 hour. Let's make cuts like this. Mix the egg yolk you have separated with a little milk and apply. Oven preheated to 180 degrees. I add sesame on it. You can use it if you want. Cook with control, and it will be very good that way. We cut from the same places again. I think it's a really nice colorful pastry. Thank you so much for watching me. See you later. Enjoy your meal.